that the last mystery here is actually the first mystery. And the first mystery is that the earth started from two primordial beings, both male and female. You see what I'm saying? When we talk about the earth, we know we have the original great mother, but when we're talking about the inception of the world that we know now is coming from two primordial beings. So it stands to reason to know that if the government understands that their reign is only for a short period of time, that and at this particular time we're talking about the earth itself, of the coming of the new hereafter, or the day would be with us, in these mystical days that all religions, all spiritual systems talk about, then we would understand at this particular time that in order for this to jump off, there has to be a return of the divine feminine, but also the return of the Isis and Osiris realm, of the union between male and female. In this particular case, the original males and females. So we are the ones, black folks on this planet, are the ones that ultimately have to set the stage to go to the next level. Not a Johnny come lately. Here you gonna, these white folks write all these books about the hereafter and what's gonna be, and they just got on the planet yesterday. You see what I'm saying? You know, just got on the planet yesterday. It has to be done by us. And that is why the disparity and the disproportion when it comes to both male and female hooking up in this particular country right here, the disparity, the imbalance, disproportion has to do with the black man and the black woman. We're talking about at least 11 to 14 million black women. Or let's say about, no, excuse me, I'm gonna get this right now. I'm gonna get this right. About 10 million black women who can't even find nobody. We got internet full of babes or women that are beautiful. They can't find nobody. And I'm glad that the great goddess Babylonia swept me up, because I would be preoccupied 24 hours a day trying to please some of these sisters, because somebody had to do it. So many of them, so little time. And I was on a mission. Before I was rescued and stuff, I had rebooted up, got myself, reanimated to go on another odyssey. And the spirit was like, no, you already went on your odyssey. It's time for you to go to the upper room and leave that to the other ones out here. So I was rescued in so many words, and we're going to go into the science of that today. But, we're not talking about stragglers, you see what I'm saying, or hags, or whatever. We talk about real deal women, not no dizzy horses, not no dizzy horses and stuff like this. We talk about real deal sisters who can't get nobody. They had an alpha convention in Atlanta in 2000, and I'm talking about some of the baddest babes on the planet out there can't get nobody. You see what I'm saying? Number one, they need to lower their standards. That's one thing. The brother on the bicycle might be your knight in shining armor. That's one thing. You know what I'm saying? We'll deal with that on down when we get deep into this particular thing. Call it the Venus transient period, which is a period of the return of the goddess. We're gonna go deeper into that tonight. That's why this Mistress of Love and Sex, you having sex now in 2004 on into whenever is going to be different than you having sex or you dealing with love years past, because there's a realm called the return of the Shakti power, return of Lucius, the return of the divine feminine. In Kemet, it's called the return of the second Aru, which is this in Moorish Grail mythology, it's called the return of Mabinogion. And it's this realm of the goddess. So what we do now based on opening up our heart chakras, and what we do now based on the sexual aspect and all, is all based on prosperity. And what we will deal with at this particular time, all based on prosperity.